Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw ZAR from Bitget. Okay, let's say for example you have assets that you would like to convert to ZAR. Well, just go ahead over to buy crypto right here, click on buy and sell. You could also do a P2P trading, but this one right here is the easiest method. Okay, click on sell right here. Sell what? Okay, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, it's up to you. For example, just USDT right here. The receiving method would be ZAR. Okay, click on ZAR and receive it. You gotta choose to receive it with your ZAR balance or convert it to fiat, okay, under your Bitget account, or directly tap on bank transfer right here. This is P2P. Okay, so let's say you have selected ZAR balance right here. Okay, go ahead and hit on confirm. Now, once done, go ahead over to your assets. Now, go ahead and click on withdraw. Now, in the left panel, you can go ahead and withdraw your fiat, okay, or your ZAR. So just basically click on ZAR right here, and bank transfer will be available as well. Okay, crediting time requires 0 to 2 working days. So just hit on next, and I won't be able to do that because I live in the Philippines at the moment. Okay, just hit on next, enter the withdrawal amount, and after that, you should be good to go. And that is how the withdrawals are from Bitget. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.